What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're back at Springy Performance. Of course I forgot my vlogging camera because I was in a rush to get here. So we are filming on my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yep, luckily I got this the other day, so hopefully it doesn't look too weird or bad, but golden hour right now, which is sweet. Just walking down to the car that I parked about 3 kilometers away. So we're grabbing that, unload it, and we're gonna put it back on the dyno. I've got some new coil packs, and by new, I mean I've got some second-hand ones because the brand new ones that I ordered didn't turn up because the post is all delayed and stuff, but whatever, we're gonna run it up, see if we can fix this misfire, make a little more boost, and then we're gonna swap the gearbox out with the ZF gearbox because I've been meaning to do that for ages. Super keen, so keen to see if we can make over 300 kilowatts. Will tonight be the night? Who knows? Alright, so here are the old coils here. Unfortunately our brand new ones didn't show up, so we have a bunch of second-hand coils, which is going to make this job nice and fun. So I'm going to swap them out now, we'll run it up, see how it goes. Make sure the boots and all the coils are good, but the old fun game of trial and error. Oof. Looks good though. Yeah. These are different looking coils than the other ones that I had. Actually, we're running like 3 of these ones. 3 of these ones. And this one looks a little different than this one. So we're kind of running 3 different sets of coils, but let's see if it works. Here we go. We're good to go. Alright, as you can see from the first run, it looks like it's holding boost and spark, all good. So now we're going to get the laptop, plug it in and dial that in. Just from dialing a bit more boost in, it made about 287 kilowatts, which is mad. So now it's time to plug the magic device in and see what we can do. Come on, gotta crack that 300. Alright, so it looks like we might be slipping the clutch at around like 290 kilowatts, which would make sense because it's like a stage 3 eBay clutch. Nice. That's been in there for like 3 years. So we are now playing a game, which is it the dyno slipping, the tire slipping on the dyno, or is it the clutch? And we have like 5 of us in here, social distancing, working out whether it's that. So fingers crossed it's the dyno. Clutch, maxed out at 287 kilowatts. It held, and then it didn't like more power being pushed through it. All right, that's another thing. Well, coils are working.
Yeah.
Now the clutch doesn't work. So, all right, so that's us. The clutch is slipping at 290 kilowatt, but unfortunately the 300 kilowatt is still proving to be elusive to us, which is mad. So we already need to put the ZF gearbox in anyway, so I'm going to order a new clutch. And then we're going to put all that stuff in and we'll put it back on the dyno and make sure that it's safe on 18 PSI. We're also going to hook the electronic boost controller up to the ECU so that Dan can make sure that the boost curve stays steady all the way through instead of dropping off like that, because our boost controller can't quite handle it, which is all good, but 290 kilowatt, not too bad. But yeah, we're going to flick to tomorrow where we're going to be working on the Datsun and wrapping it, so I'll see you guys in the morning. And we are home. The car's still on the trailer. I'm being lazy. Can't be stuffed taking it off the trailer right now, so we're going to get straight into the Datsun. which is rad. So I've done the bonnet and this guard, looks rad, super nice. We're gonna go ahead and do the other guard now and just assess the situation from there. As you can see, I've started work on the bottom valance down here. Super difficult, which is kind of fun because I like a challenge, but as you can see, we're inlaying it. So we'll do this side, that side, and then the center section will have an inlay. Because it's all hidden behind the bumper, you won't see the inlay, which is mad. It's gonna look freaking awesome. So kind of getting this whole corner together. Also, we're gonna put this guy in. I think I've already wrapped this nose cone off camera. It's over there. Because I wanted to try it out, and it was very, very difficult. So we're going to try and get this corner together today to see how it's all going to look, which I'm pumped about. But let's keep going. And that's what it looks like. Whew, that was rough. A couple imperfections, but they sit behind the bumper, so YOLO, doesn't matter. Pretty sick though, looks good, so I'm quite happy with that. Really tested my wrapping skills, which are not really existent, so good times. And then the inlay will go in here, and then the same on the other side. All the black stuff I need to respray to make it look all nice and new, so this car should be looking absolutely schmick by the time we're finished. Woo! Alright, I got this side back together. Damn, she's looking sharp. Definitely some little imperfections in there. It's not perfect, but it looks a million times better than it did before. So it's really starting to kind of slowly come together, but looks cool, man. Can't wait for it to be finished. Still a long way to go yet. So I've decided to go ahead and tackle the front bumper, make it look a lot nicer, so we can put the front end together and see how it's gonna look. So as you can see, the bumper just looks super crappy. So I just need to sand it down, mask it up, spray it nice flat black again just to get it looking brand new, and then we'll polish up the metal and it should look Mickey Mouse. So the bumper's all painted, starting to look really nice. We've got some of our metal polish, so I'm going to quickly polish this piece of metal in the centre. And then we'll fit her up and see how she looks. Crazy what a bit of black paint will do. It's nice. This metal polish is crazy. So this is how it currently looks without the metal polish. And then this, woo, damn, that's how it looks with the polish. Look, I can see you guys in it. Damn, it's shiny. Dull, super shiny. Makes it look nice and new again. Obviously there's little dents and stuff in it. Can't get them out. That's from years of driving on the road, but still looks heaps better. Just a pro tip with dull indicators and headlights and stuff. You can just use cut and polish. I'm using some Kitten Ultra on your headlights, your dull headlights and indicators and stuff, and it'll make them nice and shiny again. Chuck some on. Give her a quick rub. Then give it a quick buff. Nice and shiny. Look at that. That bumper is reconditioned. Looks nice and new. Pretty stoked with that actually. Cost about 20 bucks and a bit of elbow grease and we're good to go. So we'll chuck her on. Looks awesome. Front bumper's back on. Just quickly before I shut the bonnet, I'll show you guys. We're using all brand new hardware on all of the guards and everything. Just makes it look heaps tidier really, and it's super cheap. These bolts are from Bunnings. They're just M10 bolts. They're like $4 a pack for like 20 of them. And I got the washers as well. Just makes it look heaps tidier. Plus all the old stuff was super rusty. But let's shut the bonnet and see how she looks. Damn. Yeah, she's nice and new now. It's actually ridiculous seeing it all so nice. I'm going to do another coat on the front bumper, I reckon. Just a couple of patches on it. I reckon just one more coat will make it look perfect. But it looks so good. I am freaking loving it. I also sprayed the grill bit under here. Resprayed that black off camera as well. Everything black is going to get resprayed. Satin black, so it's not super glossy because you don't want it to look too shiny. The bumpers are supposed to be slightly matte from factory, so but even like the repolished chrome and everything just looks so nice. Alright guys, so that is us for this episode. Super stoked on the progress of the 280ZX. Need a new clutch for the E36, but not surprised there. But so far everything is on track. Now I have some super exciting news to share with you guys soon. Not just yet, waiting for some confirmation on it tomorrow morning, but it's a huge, massive step up for the channel, so can't wait to share it with you guys. Hopefully I can share it in the next couple of days. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow me on Instagram @itsmikeleake. See you guys in the next video. Not sure exactly what it will be because depending on how tomorrow morning goes, yeah, could be some cool stuff, or we'll be continuing the build on the 280ZX. Peace.